Hello YouTube, you're welcome back. It's your brother John from Nigeria. So one of my subscribers here, student have been disturbing me for pitch bend, use of pitch bend. So one thing about pitch bend, is that you have to be creative, okay? So in praises, you use pitch bend to spice up your soloing and your chord also. So this video is just a little, okay, just a little. I'll still compile a full before you teach something, you must have some principles or strategies or how you are using the how you are using the pitch bend, okay, or anything you are teaching. So one thing about pitch bend, let me use a good sound, okay, a good sound, okay. Let me just use grand piano. You know what to use in your normal praises, okay? Just use it. So what I'll be showing just a little, just a one, just a small thing, okay, and it's in makosa. We all know the makosa progression. Fa sol sol fa do do fa fa sol fa do. Now if you are playing your chord like this is sol first, then do and mi, okay, and you're going fa sol fa do, okay. You can do something like this. This is a type of way we'll play a makosa. So this one is just going so. Then the other so in higher octave. Then going so fa so re so fa so mi. Okay, when you're in mi here, you're in do here. When you're in re, you're in so here. So fa so re so fa so mi fa so re so fa so mi. Then you cannot be using your pitch bend to spice what your saw by taking it upward. And when you take a sustain a pitch bend upward, it's as if you are moving two pitch up, okay, two pitch. I hope you understand it, but don't worry, I'm going to explain it in a full. The reason I'm doing this is because someone has been disturbing me and I don't want to disappoint that person. Say want to use it tomorrow night, Sunday, that's why I'm doing it. Okay, so can we be doing like this? Let me try and use one sound. Style. Sorry just want to get a makosa beat that's okay. Here's one. This is not really makosa, but you can. So it's only when you're on saw, the higher octave of saw, the pitch bend to be going up. You come back up. You can see my hand here. You go up, you come back. Hey, my God is good. Okay. So I hope you understand what I just did now. So, and I want to remind you guys, if you haven't gotten my DVDs, you are really missing a lot. A lot of people have been messaging me, thanking me of these DVDs. I've been teaching keyboard for a very long time, so I know the weak points of many students. So I have gone extra mile for these DVDs I did. Okay, so if you haven't gotten it, uh, try and get it. Okay, I have many DVDs I have done for worship. If you're even a beginner, this DVD will teach you to an advanced level. Improve your worship playing, improve your praises, everything. You can just message me on WhatsApp 070 3287 if you're in Nigeria. If you're outside Nigeria, you have to add 234 the 7032879927. So God bless you. See you next time. Remember, tomorrow is Sunday. We go to church early. You are an instrumentalist. See you next time. Goodbye.